In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in MailerLite. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to MailerLite.com and click on the Sign Up Free option. With this, you can get a 14-day trial of their premium features with no credit card required. From in there, you can also proceed to log in if you already have an account. And since I already have one, let's proceed to just log in. Now here is my actual dashboard. So for this case, let's head right here into our forms. So you can find it on your left sidebar, so just head over to that. In here, you can just choose some forms that you want. Let's click on this create form right here and let's create a quiz based on this. Input right here the name of your phone. So for example, let's input right here first quiz. Once you have named your form, next thing you need to do is choose its type. I actually recommend an embedded option. Click on this save and continue. Now, once you have done that, this will direct you into this next part. Choose in here a subscriber group and click on continue. Now, here is our actual design. So this is just a subscribe form, so you can edit it according to your liking. For example, let's name this quiz 1. And then input right here the description. Quiz number 1 of students. Click on save right here. And instead of adding email, let's proceed to add some more inputs. For example, let's edit right here this. Let's edit the form field and let's input right here the label. For example, let's input name and let's click on this add field. Input right here this and you can choose in here the field type. For example, let's choose in here some drop down option. You can also choose in here some other options, like for example, let's input right here the name of this field right there. And you can choose in here some questions instead of that. Input right here the label. So for example, apple or orange. From in there, add in here the option apple. Next is orange. Now you can also add some more things according to this liking right here and click on save changes. After that, you can add some more fields if you would want. Now click on save right here. Click on done editing. After that, you should be able to see the content editor. So for this, you can proceed to actually just send this quiz out to people. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.